everyone, it's Liliana from Vanilla and Canela here. Welcome back to my channel and to another edition of What's for Dinner. Now this week you guys will see I wasn't feeling the cooking very much, but let me show you. Tonight's dinner is chicken pittaiola leftover, and I basically made some spaghetti, added to the sauce and the chicken, some side of corn and some olives. Tonight's dinner is sausages and mash we've got broccoli and carrots and gravy. These are the sausages from Muscle Food. I'm not really looking forward to that because they have literally no fat in them, so they're not very juicy. They can be a bit dry, but I'm looking forward to the rest. Tonight's dinner is rice with chorizo and carrots and onions, and then some chicken which I marinated. If you want to see this recipe as a cook along, it will be in a vlog just gone, so you guys are seeing this on Sunday. It will be the vlog from Thursday, and I will link it above for you guys. Tonight's dinner is chicken korma and naan bread, and this is a Tesco's ready meal. And we are very excited, aren't we, Alex? We like curry. Dinner tonight is fish finger and chips. For dinner tonight we're having chips and burgers. Mine are chicken burgers with no bun. Alex is having burger and bun, and so is Paul. So like I said at the beginning of the video, I wasn't feeling the cooking very much, so there is no recipe for you guys this week, but I'll try and make it up to you next week. So thank you for watching. See you guys Tuesday for another video. Bye.